Alright guys, in this part of the tutorial I want to show you how you can be able to get this template easy as possible. So let's say you want this particular template but you don't want to watch the video as a whole. You can go to templateseller.com. just go to templateseller.com over here, and then just go and search for active pulse template. Okay, so you can just search for the active pulse templates and you can be able to get it. This is the active pulse template over here. Just click on it and then just go ahead and you can check the live demo or go ahead to add to the cart. Okay, once you have it downloaded, okay, just go to your website over here. Now this is a new website that I've I've done for you. You can see over here, this is just a new website. Now go over here and then go to appearance and then click on themes. So appearance and then themes over here. Now once you are over here in your theme section, click on add theme, and what you're going to do is make sure that you search for the Kadence theme because the template is built using the Kadence theme. So search for the Kadence theme and then click on install. Now this is what we are going to do. We're going to install the Kadence theme, but we not activate it. Okay, so we are not going to activate it. Once you install it over here, it will be installed for you. Do not activate it, but click on upload theme, and then the theme that you downloaded, the active pulse theme that you downloaded, just drag it over here. Okay, drag it over here, or just choose the file and then click on install now. Okay, once you install it, click on activate to activate that particular theme, and you see that theme will be showing right here for you. Now once you activate it, of course you are not done. If you refresh this one, you realize that all the settings, small settings and all those things are done, but the template itself is not imported yet. So the next stage is for us to import the template. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this one which says install AI starter template. So we click on it over here to install the AI starter template. All right, so once you have it, you're going to see template seller over here. Click on the template seller logo over there, and you're going to see your theme over here. Click on it and then go ahead and click on finish and launch, and click on start import. Now take your time, it's going to take a little while, but everything will be installed and imported for you, and you're going to have a brand new website for yourself. Okay guys, so as you can see over here, it has been successfully installed for you. You can go ahead to see your site, or go ahead to see my pages. I want to go ahead to see my pages for the site. I can go over here and then refresh the website over here, and as you can see, I have a brand new website over here. For me, I can just decide to go ahead and change some few things over here and I'm good to go. Okay, so once you have this one done, just go back over here, close this one, and then go to WooCommerce over here, go to settings over here, and because WooCommerce settings sometimes it is some way, make sure that you go to site visibility. Okay, and then make sure that your how do you call it, your e-commerce pages are live, meaning that your shop page will be live over here. So set it to live and then save changes over here, and you are good to go. Now you can be able to go ahead and create all your products that you want to create. If you click over here to go to the shop page, you can be able to see all your products over here. Go ahead and then create all product over here, because all design and everything is already done for you. All what you need to do is to just start creating your product. So it is also easy to edit this website using Elementor. If you already know Elementor, you can easily edit this website using Elementor. So this is how you can be able to get this particular active pulse template on your website as easy as possible.